This question belongs to topic engineering mechanics from the subtopic conservation of energy. A rigid block of mass m1 equal to 10 kg and having velocity v equal to 2 meter per second strikes another stationary block of mass m2 equal to 30 kg after traveling 1 meter along the frictionless horizontal surface as shown in figure. The two masses stick together and jointly move by a distance of 0.25 meters further along the same frictionless surface. Before they touch the massless buffer that is connected to a rigid vertical wall by means of a linear spring having spring constant k equal to 10 power 5 Newton per meter, the maximum deflection of the spring is dash centimeters. The maximum deflection of the spring is dash centimeters, right? So now here is the mass m1 given. Here is the mass m1 given to you, that is equal to 10 kg. That is equal to 10 kg, right? And it is moving by a distance of 1 meter. It is moving by a distance of 1 meter, and m2 is another mass. M2 is another mass, that is m2 is given to you, and this is moved by a distance of 0.25 meters. This is moved by a distance of 0.25 meters. This is moved by a distance of 0.25 meters after that. So right now here the m1 is given as 10 kg, m1 is given as 10 kg, and m2 is given as 30 kgs. M2 is given as 30 kgs. Initial velocity of m1 is 2 meters per second. Initial velocity of m1 is 2 meters per second, and after that u2 is equals to, u2 is initial velocity of 2, that is 0. So we can apply conservation of momentum. We can apply conservation of momentum. Right, so I can write it as m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, m2 v2, right? So m2 u2 is 0, so this will be cancelled out. So this would be 10 into 2, 10 into 2 is equals to, this would be, these two are getting combined. So these two are getting combined. So that has to be m1 plus m2 into v, m1 plus m2 into v. So this would be around 40, 10 plus 30 is 40 into v. So this is 20. So v is equals to 0.5 meters per second, 0.5 meters per second, right? So now after that these masses will be combined together, and then they will be moving with a velocity of 0.5 meters per second, 0.5 meters per second. So now kinetic energy of combined mass is equal to spring energy, right? So half, this would be half, that is m1 plus m2 into v square is equal to half k delta square, This is equal to m1 plus m2 is 40, m1 plus m2 is equal to 40 into the velocity is 0.5 square, this is equal to half into k is 10 power 5 into delta square. So this is half and half will be cancelled out, and what else you will have? This is 40 and this would be 1 by 4. This would be 10 power 5 into delta square. So delta is equals to, or delta square is equals to 10 power minus 4. If this goes to this side, so this will be 10 times and this would be 10 power minus 4, and delta will be equal to 10 power minus 2, which is equal to 1 centimeter, right? So this is the end of the answer.